Do you all like K-food? Are you curious about the Korean food you've seen in K-content? Now we'll take a look at a book that will quench your thirst for all things K-food and Korean language. It's Easy and Fun Korean Recipes. Easy and Fun Korean Recipes is a book for the many Korean language students interested in K-food. It's a textbook that teaches words and phrases related to food and cooking, while showing you how to make 40 of the most simple yet essential Korean foods. The book is divided into 6 sections based on foods and snacks all Koreans love to eat: kimchi, rice, eggs, tofu, meat, seafood, and more. Recipes are explained step by step with pictures so that anyone can follow along. You can also watch YouTube videos of the author making and explaining the dishes in the book by accessing the included QR codes. The videos are a fun and easy way to learn the phrases and recipes often used in Korean cuisine.